So hi awesome ones, and welcome to my fashion and beauty haul. Well, I'm going to have a lot of items for you, and this is part one. I'll have more of them later in 2023, but today I've got shirts, I've got dresses, I've got coats, jackets, pants, leggings. I even have shoes and boots, and I also have some beauty items. I thought I'd try something a little bit different in this video too, especially for the women who are in the warmer climates. I'm going to show outfits, and then I'm kind of going to layer them with the jackets and the coats, and that way it'll be great for the women in the warmer climates and also for the women in the chilly north. You know, I really feel that dressing up is something we really have to do these days, and I'm so excited to show these items to you. I think they're going to be staples in your wardrobe because they certainly are becoming that in mine. So let's get started with outfit number one. In this outfit, I've mingled classic styling with new trends. The elegant look of herringbone is trending, and this shirt will go a long way in anyone's wardrobe. It's available for $24.99, and it comes in 23 colors and patterns. Now notice the ankle showing with these pants. They are from Bertucci, and I've had them for a while. They're super stretchy with a high waistband, and they're available for $49.99. Now I wanted to show how you could shop your wardrobe for some of these looks, and all you have to do really is just hem up your basic black pants to look more trendy, as these are. Remember that all of these items are available from Amazon, and I also added a stretchy belt, and you can get 3 of those in black, brown, and white for about $16.99. And now let's talk about the shoes. I've been humming and hawing about these chunky sole heels for quite a while now, but these loafers with the chain detail really caught my eye. I think this look is here to stay for a while, and they're available for $49.99 in 3 colors, and they're super comfy. And now let's add a layer. I found this beautiful coat with faux fur liner and also a faux fur collar. It's only $75.99, and it's buttery soft and available in 7 colors. It's a great length for pants or even a skirt, and it'll keep me toasty warm and stylish on those chilly days. And I'll have information on most of these fashion items. They're going to be underneath the video description and also in the comments. Also, remember whenever you're ordering to look at the size chart. They're usually beside the item or maybe a little bit farther down below, but it's so important because a medium size is not the same all across the board, so that's going to save you on returns. But one thing about returns while I'm talking about that is Amazon has a great return policy. All right, so oh, you know what? Do you know that if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 and you scroll down, if you're interested in knowing my favorite beauty, skincare, fashions, even housewares, all you have to go is scroll down rather, and you'll find all of the items of my faves there. And now, how about 2 more options for jackets for that last outfit? These next jackets, they're trendy, they're stylish, and yes, you can wear them. First, this trendy shearling jacket. And this is also available in black and 3 other colors. It's lightweight, and it's great for those days when it's not freezing outside. I love the toggle buttons and the hood, and it just really has a fun vibe to it. It's available for just $56.99. My next jacket will keep you toasty and warm. It has a faux fur hood and also faux fur in the inside. The sleeves are cuffed to keep the cold out, and I love the brass zipper, extra deep pockets, and the way the waist can cinch in to give me more shape. It also has a fold over that's kind of buttoned here at the zipper to keep you nice and warm. It's priced at just $74.99 and available in 8 colors. This coat will stay in your wardrobe and mine for a long, long time. So I recently saw a social post, and it was from this lady. She was in her 80s, and she was saying how she still loves to play dress up. And are you noticing the celebrity women who are all in their 80s and how they're really kind of making a comeback right now? And the one thing that I'm noticing about them is they're not wearing old lady clothes. And in my outfit number 2, this really shows you, a wonderful, trending kind of outfit. And well, let's just take a look. And remember, you are not defined by what your birth certificate says. Here I have faux leather leggings. They're available for less than $20, and they're stretchy and they're also really comfortable. I also added these new faux suede ankle booties that are comfy and on trend. They're available for around $68 and available in 14 different colors. The rounded toe is comfy, but it still looks stylish. I also love my new top. It flares at the bottom to give me a bit more shape and also cover my front and butt with these leggings. I also love the neck detail. This top is available for just around $33, and it's available in 5 colors, and it was so nice, I bought it twice. Here it is in a rich navy color. This would also look fabulous with a pencil skirt. And if you enjoy videos like this, I would love for you to subscribe to me. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the bell. Oh, and are you joining me on my live events? They're at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. They're every Wednesday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you know what? We just kind of hang out like girlfriends, and we talk about fashion, skincare, makeup, all kinds of different things, even household gadgets, so it's a lot of fun. But next, I have a dress. I've been really looking for a great denim look shirt dress, and I finally found it. This is lightweight, and the buttons allow me to go as low as I want, and also I can kind of open it up at the bottom as well. It's available for $43, and I matched this with my red slingbacks and a red purse for a bit of flair, but I could have easily have added a pair of Keds sneakers and a straw bag for a more casual look. And talking about shoes, I got a couple of new footwear items in to show you, and well, let's just take a look. First is this comfy pair of sneakers by Skechers. It has the memory foam insert and the air-cooled relaxed fit. It also has that trendy elastic kind of look to the laces. Well, they actually are elastic, and it's an easy pull-on shoe. They're available in 5 colors for $56. Next, I don't know about you, but the weather here has been really rainy lately. Now, rubber boots aren't always that stylish, so I bought myself these pull-on black waterproof shoes. They're perfect for those wet, mucky days, and they're available in 2 colors for around $36. And now for some of the beauty items in the haul. Have you been noticing that lately there's lots of advertisements for vitamin C and brightening up your skin and all this sort of thing? So I just had to check out the Strivectin product, because you know I love the Strivectin products. And this is their vitamin C cream. Now, what I'm doing, like I usually actually don't put on a day cream, but I'm using this as a day cream, and it's just a lovely texture. It really seems to it's doing a little bit of brightening anyway. And one of the greatest things about this product is it has an SPF 30 in it. So it's gonna be good for wearing on those sunny days. I also bought a couple of things for my hair, starting with this Remington hair straightener. And let me just show you a little bit more of what it's all about. It's really wide, and it combs through my hair instead of just sandwiching it between 2 irons like most flat irons do. It also eliminates a lot of my frizzies and can even give me a soft curl inwards. It's available for only $23 and it helps me go from frizzy to fab easily. I also found this Maryland New Yorker brush. It's a great size for your purse and it has bristle tufts that are longer and it kind of massages your scalp and it also helps to reduce frizziness. It's around $23. Now I also got a few other pieces in this haul, like a great faux leather moto jacket that I want to show you, but I didn't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to have a part 2 coming up for you, and I'm going to create that and have that available in a few weeks. You know, when I did this video, I really realized how much I love to dress up and how much in the past couple of years, like we really haven't been doing that. So in this video, I embraced faux leather leggings, chunky kind of loafers. I embraced fun jackets and even pants that were a little bit higher on the ankle. And you know what? I feel really good about it. I feel youthful and I feel stylish and also kind of trendy. And I encourage you to do the same thing. And as you're wearing these clothes, I'm sure you're going to feel marvelous, darling. Anyway, you know what? We gotta be like those 80-year-old celebrities and we gotta get out and we gotta rock this world. And I think it's so important to show everyone that aging, it's a privilege and it's not something to be feared. And you know what? I think it's just one more way to keep it awesome.